Welcome to my channel. Take a rectangle shape for background color. Take circle shape, off this fill color and increase the stroke size. Press Alt for copy another circle shape. Alignment it. Now go to the Dirset Selections tools, and select the down anchor point. Take a line shape, then alignment it with circle shape. Again take two line shape, and alignment it too. Copy it. I'm selecting all shapes, reason increase the stroke size a little bit. Select all and expand it. Select the line shape, and go to the object options for increase the offset path. Go to the Shape Builder tools, for delete the shapes. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Yes, done. Now, resize the sideline shapes. Take line shape, for making the shape-to-shape kerning equal. Because this logo makes it more professional look. Ungroup the shape and delete it. Same thing, do it here. We need more cutting shape, for make good look logo. Now our logo is complete. Just need selecting the font. Press D4, go to the Type tools. Alignment it. Increase the tracking. Alignment it. We are chose the Mave Pro font for this logo. Yes, we are pairing the font with the logo. Font pairing is a big thing of logo design. Because title or tagline tells the brand's message. Here is final logo. Thanks for stay with us.